Hey guys, welcome to another Blog Tech Tips video tutorial. I'm Ricardo Gardner, your host. Alright, today we're going to look at how you can actually perform a laptop memory upgrade. Here I have a Dell, and this is a typical laptop. Now, it doesn't really matter the type of laptop you have in terms of brand or so on, right? I'm going to show you how to basically just upgrade the memory or the RAM that's inside, alright? So to do that, you're going to make sure the laptop is off and it's powered down fully. You can disconnect it from the AC wall adapter, alright? First thing you do is actually flip it over. Now, there are two different types that you'll find. Now, some of them have a easy access hatch on the back, alright? Like this one here, that's found in this immediate areas. Others, you'll find it in areas such as here, alright? And for others, it's actually found on the inside. Now, if you have a model like this one, where it has a easy access hatch, I'll show you how to actually perform a memory upgrade using this version. Alright, and remember you guys, you can check out the website at www.blogtechtips.com. I'll put a link on screen or in the descriptions. Alright, now what you'll need for this is that you'll need your screwdriver set. Typical Phillips screwdriver will actually do for opening this. And of course, depending on what you're doing, if you're doing a memory upgrade or you're adding additional RAM, you're gonna need your RAM that's compatible with this version. I'm gonna actually show you how to find a new matching RAM, so you can either extend or replace the current one that's in there, or just troubleshoot issues that you have with RAM. For example, if your laptop is beeping on boot or so on. Right? So the first thing you need to do is to get your Phillips, and you're gonna open the easy access hatch on the back. Normally it's one or two screws. Right? Once you have done that, you just look out if you see any other screws. You can tell this area is able to open because of the seams that you find right here. They run right around. Alright? Here we have a convenient, on this actual Dell model, convenient access hatch. So I'm just gonna apply pressure and it's gonna pop right up. Alright, as you see here, it comes right off. There's some heat shields, ventilation holes to make sure that the memory and so on is actually gets proper ventilation. I'm gonna put this aside. Now you'll notice over this section over here you have the RAM, and you notice that the slots here, you have two. Now what this tells you is that you can actually place RAM in both slots, right? In other words, you can actually have one stick over here and one stick over here. I'll actually show you how to get this out. So what you do is you'll notice these retention straps to the side. Now they're lever based, so you just basically pull either to the side and the RAM will just pop right up. So slide them apart, RAM will come up. You hold it by the side. As you can see here, this is the memory or the RAM. Alright, now the thing about these is that they have a foolproof notch here, so anytime you're trying to replace the RAM, you can't put them in the wrong way, as it will only go in one way. And also, if the RAM is not compatible, it cannot go in. Now, in case you're wondering if I'm going to either replace this or actually find a match, what can I do? Now, if you look on this, it's a 4 gig memory module. Alright, you can actually use the information that's found on the RAM itself to actually, and the name of the brand, to actually find a matching set. So you basically just Google the number that you see there, the main number, right, and the brand, and it will actually tell you what type of memory it is. Then you can actually find a matching stick or a replacement stick to do an upgrade or to do a replacement. Alright, if that fails, you can always research your model number of your laptop and figure it out. Alright, so let's pretend that we're gonna actually replace. I don't really have an extra memory or RAM module. Alright, so I'm gonna put this aside. Now if you look down here, it says DIMM A, and over here it says DIMM B. Now according to population rules, you're supposed to load DIMM A if it's one memory module, and then DIMM B if you have a second memory stick. Depending on the capacity of your laptop, you should be able to put up to, for example, 4, 8 gigs or so, and all depends on the type of laptop. Now, as we said here, we have 4 gigabytes over there, so I guess you could actually, if the limit on this is say 8 gigabytes, you could put one 4 gigabyte over here and one 4 gigabyte stick over here. The laptop would work as a memory upgrade. Alright, or you could just replace it and put a higher capacity depending on how much each slot can hold at max and overall. Alright, so one thing you want to do in case you're having problems or so on is to actually get the dust out of these areas. So you can actually use a handy brush to brush these out, or actually just blow out the slots to make sure there's nothing, any dust on the inside. Once you're satisfied, what you can do next is to actually clean the memory module if it's dirty, or if you have a new one, you get it out of the package, right? And you slide it in at a handle like this, and of course you simply push it down. It will just snap back into place. You can actually hear that snapping back into place. Alright, once you have done that, you're going to simply get the back, you're going to slide it back on, make sure it fits snug, and of course you're just going to screw it back into place, and that's it. Your laptop should power back up, and if you had changed out the memory module and so on. Alright, I'm going to give you a link to my website where you can go on and you can actually get your memory modules at the best prices possible. Alright, so you can match the memory that's in there and replace it. Alright guys, this is Ricardo from Black Tech Tips saying goodbye.